On this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to compute for area of rectangle. So I already added here the formula for area of rectangle. So all we have to do is multiply length times width. So let's now start our coding. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is we need to add our scanner class. So scanner obj is equals to new scanner. Okay, as you've noticed, java.util.scanner is automatically imported in our file. Okay, let's try to add system.in. Next thing that we need to do is we need to prompt the user that he or she needs to enter already the length of the rectangles. Okay, so we have here system.out.print print enter length. Okay, let's try to shortcut the words. Okay, then we have here double length is equals to obj dot next double. Okay, next is we have to copy this part. Enter width. Okay, then we also have here width. Okay, and let's try to create another variable. Double area of rectangle is equals to length multiplied by width. Okay. Then let's try to add already. Let's try to prompt already. System dot out dot println area of rectangle. Okay. Plus area of rectangle. Okay. Now let's try this time to build. You can click here build, then build project. Okay, so it's already built. Then let's try to run. Enter length. Okay, so for length, maybe we can try 5. Then width, let's try to make it 6. So the area of rectangle is 30. So that's how you would compute for the area of rectangle. All you have to do is multiply length times width to get the area of the rectangle. If you find the contents of this blog useful or interesting, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. And if you wanted to be notified every time a new video is uploaded, don't forget to hit the bell notification button. Thanks.